Good morning, YouTube. You know, I'm a little rough. Just woke up. I'm trying to get a head start on the day. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. Babe just woke up, man. I'm trying to surprise her with a little breakfast. Something a little nice. K on it. Love letter, something special in there for her, you know. Should be a good morning. So like I said, I'm trying to keep it quiet. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We got some cool things planned for the day, you know. It's a lighter Valentine's Day this year. This year we made it more about just spending the time. It's not even about the money this year. It's more about the time. Just trying something, trying a restaurant we both wanted to try. You know, staying local, but we should have a good time today. You know, just enjoying each other's company. We work hard, we work a lot, so made sure I took off today. We both have the day off. Should be a good day, man. Take this journey with us.
These are my white coats.
Thank you, babe.
In one machine.
Thank you.
Color coats.
Look at these beautiful cupcakes that Amber just brought over. Amber, which one are they?
Sweet potato, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry shortcake, and strawberry banana.
These are, and these are the red velvet.
Yes,
these look so, so good. So yeah, if you're in the area, order yours now. Okay guys, so we're finally dressed and we're on our way to Atlantic City because we're going to go to the sugar factory today. Neither one of us has been there, so we're pretty excited, right babe?
Right.
You know what you're going to get?
No, actually no.
Well, we're going to try out some stuff, and yeah, so this Valentine's Day we're taking it easy. We're not spending a whole lot of money. We're just enjoying time together, and I'm excited about that. Right, babe?
Sure. Pockets excited.
And what you saying?
My pockets excited too.
And today is our anniversary, so that's pretty fun too. We're here in Atlantic City, and we're about to get something good to eat. So this is the passion punch, and I got a sour apple lolly, I think this is called, a martini. So yeah. Apparently, Sugar House didn't get the memo that we were canceling R. Kelly. He got the fried chicken, mac and cheese. So I got the fettuccine Alfredo. Looks delish. We'll be back. I want to let you guys know how it was. Okay, so we're just off Sugar Factory. I think it was really good. What do you think?
It was edible, you know. It was, you know.
I would give it like a 9 out of 10.
The chicken was just fried. It wasn't seasoned, but you know, if you're trying to get a good drink and you know have a good time, it's a good vibe.
The drinks were super lit. Like they were lit.
Don't go for the food. Go for the drinks. All right.
I mean, the food's not terrible though, because we had quesadillas too. They were good.
They were okay. They didn't have no peppers in nothing.
We didn't ask for them.
Not supposed to have to ask. It's a quesadilla.
Okay, well, I think that it was an 8 out of 10. I would give it an 8.
Hey man, I'm gonna give it a hard 6.5 out of 10. You know. Well,
the service was great. We had a great server.
Oh, it was good service.
Her name was Lissa, and she was great. Everybody was very nice. Our stuff came fast, and we didn't have to wait forever. I'm judging off of stuff like that too.
If you adding all that, I'm just talking just about the food, but I give it an 8.5. You know.
See, exactly.
You could come. You know.
Yeah, I liked it. So now we're about to go to the casino. We going to gamble?
Yeah,
like some light gambling, and yeah.
Just leaving the casino, man. Took a light L, you know. Nothing too crazy, but you know.
Just gambling away our little diaper money.
Sometimes you gotta know when to walk away.
luckily,
I know when to walk away. You feel what I'm saying? I ain't in no hole, but hey, a little fun, light fun.
Listen. It would not be me playing with my money, okay? That gambling stuff is for certain people. And honey, I am not that person. I like my money where I can see it, where I can control it, and that is not on the gambling table. But this man, on the other hand, gamble God.
Not the God, I'm chilling, man. It's kind of hard to stop when you see somebody just win $600 on the hand.
Yeah, so we're gonna pick the baby up and then we're gonna go Chuck E. Cheese.
Look what my mom did for us! How cute! Thank you, Mom!
Some chocolate covered strawberries, some Reese's. To me, you, and Tootie. Look at these! How cute are these? Mom, what is this? What's this, Mom?
What is it? What?
What?
Some wine, some flowers. Look at this! For me and Tuda Booty. Some wine. Tootie got a bubble maker. Chevelle got some cupcakes. Let's see what I got. Oh, a beautiful candle. Thanks, Mom. How cute is this? From my mom to me, Chevelle, and Tootie. Where once was a beautiful daughter, now there's her beautiful family too. How freaking cute! How cute! So it's pretty dark, but it's only 5 o'clock. We're at Chuck E. Cheese for Precy's part of Valentine's Day. Right, Precy? Are you so excited? Are you so excited, Precy? Did you have fun at Chuck E. Cheese, Press? I'll take that as a yes. You tired? Oh, now you tired?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, we're taking your flowers to Grandma?
Grandma?
Yeah, to Grandma. We're taking flowers to her. I love you. Thank you. Thank you, Chevelle. I'm Christian. You're welcome.
I love you hard.
Love you too.
Okay, thank you very much. God just call them man plant.
Is that how you guys get through? I mean, did you just bring a lot of comedy?
Where you say me to leave you?
Short answer is yes.
What do you mean leave you? Thank you. You can't pick up nothing off of the floor. You won't be a nasty man. Love you. Give me a kiss now.
So you guys followed us throughout the day, you know. It's a pretty good day, man.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, you know, it was a pretty calm day. We had fun. I definitely enjoyed myself, you know. Went to AC.
Me too.
On the way down there, we realized we should just take trips to AC more often, man. It's local.
And we never go.
Yeah, you know, we wound up doing other things over the bridge or something.
We're about to enjoy our little table setting that my mom did for us. So sweet. And, you know, we hope you guys enjoyed coming out with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on so you get alerts when I post new vlogs and new videos. And as always, if you guys have any suggestions with videos that you would like to see, comment and leave your suggestions. All right, guys, until next time. Bye.